Got more giraffes inside. Probably. Baboons. I'm covered in goat hair. Yeah. I am. Me and that one got real friendly. He was letting me pet him and shit. It's awesome.
Goat hair on me too. So now you can stop saying you're the only one who has goat hair on you.
You're so sassy, child. Okay, I'll stop complaining. My fault. Good. Are you 6 or 16? I forgot. Yeah, you act like it. You act like it on a daily basis. They have chickens too. Will they fly around you? What?
They give you like a popsicle stick with stuff on it.
Oh, interesting.
I did that.
Careful.
I did that once though, and they Oh, here's the lemur.
It's a big cage.
Do not feed caged animals.
Special diet. Probably sleeping. Let's go in the birdies. Coming? Waiting for you.
Fucking, I had Logan take a picture of the one like asshole donkey. That was
Yeah.
fucking perfect. Huh? What?
John Jason.
Okay.
Hair on the back of the head.
This one puffs all up, huh? Look at the hair in that thing.
I think it's pecking for worms.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's other birds in the back. Can we go to the bird aisle now?
The bird island. This whole thing's a bird. Dude, there's a monkey over there, dude. Look at that.
Monkey?
It's an orangutan or something.
Okay. Coming over here.
Coming over here. It's an orangutan just chilling. Something. Some kind of thing, right? Or is that a sloth? I can't really tell yet. Look at that thing. There's two of them? Oh.
What's up, monkey?
Wow, look at that thing, Gavin.
What's up, monkey? What's up? Brother.
Just hanging out.
Oh, take it for bugs.
Oh, there's a little black one. I like
So
the black
sprawled
one.
out.
Chilling.
Now can we go in the bird aisle?
You need to chill, dude.
Gavin, you need to relax, please.
That's up to Jason. You weren't being nice to him, so I don't know. You gotta be really sweet to him. Christina just paid for the safari park. They just want to pay extra money for you to go in. I don't know.
You gonna be nice?
You got to be very deserving.
What's the monkey doing?
Picking for bugs.
Cleaning the other monkey. Look at it, he's eating them.
I think I'm going to name them Gavin and Logan.
On the black one.
Gavin and Logan.
Look, he's just eating all the bugs off
There
of
they
him.
are in the cage.
That one's Gavin.
One laying down,
One laying
sleeping.
down.
That must be
too.
Gavin.
Yeah. You're the white one.
Oh, thanks for calling me white. And you're
Stop
black.
it.
I can't.
Said thanks for calling white.
Call me white.
Oh,
White face.
Logan's calling me white.
See what's behind you, kangaroos? Wallaby. It's a mini kangaroo. It's in the shade.
I got stuck in my truck.
See the wallaby?
Sorry, now I have Earth stuck in my head, stuck together.
Play it. She brought your speaker. Playing Earth as you walk through. Excuse me, you guys have to leave.
I sent her for the zebra. She's like, oh my god, it's Ariana Grande. Love her. Do you have your wallet?
Yeah.
Do you have it? Are you like 10 so as I give you the money?
I don't have cash, but I'm willing to pay for it.
I have my wallet in the van.
I'm willing to pay for it.
I left my wallet in the van.
We might take part. Everyone's got the things nowadays. They probably do. I kind of would like to do it. I've never really held birds up close besides when the lamest bird tried to attack me. It's not funny. Stop laughing. Not funny. I'm scarred from that.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Emotional damage. You guys want to check this out?
And then I'm just gonna ask if there's no running or going under the bridge.
You hear that?
You hear that?
Those are the rules.
No running, no going under the ropes. Okay?
All set?
Yes.
Thank you. Don't drop your stick, okay?
For you. One for you.
Gavin, you gotta hold it out. You listen to the rules. They just come to you? How does this work? You have to find your bird? Come on the stick. You guys, how did you guys get one? I'm not the bird whisperer. This isn't working. You want food? Food? Can you come on? No? Can you come on? You got a bird on your stick? You got, how'd you get one?
Oh, that was pretty.
I'm having trouble
I
here.
love this one. You want one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been trying to get one.
Okay. It's fine.
Come on, Gav. Come on, Gav. Pick it up, buddy. Pick it up. Pick the stick up.
I'll pick it up. Now
Just pick the stick up. There you go. How did you,
I got pretty one. I got a code on me. Look at the drawing.
oh, oh.
Gavin! Gav, look! Gavin! Look! Look!
Gav.
Look at Mom!
Gavin.
Look at Mom! There's a black chicken.
Want some? No? Huh?
There it goes. Look at. I can't see. I can't see it. Where is it? Oh, nice. It's another blue one. Oh crap. It's not left my cheek.
I got it.
Oh, it's not on my neck anymore?
No.
Good.
Gavin just walking around with his bird. Look at
It's
it.
on the camera. It's on the camera. Oh, you just stepped on one.
Oh. I think it's mad at me. It's biting my shoe.
It's biting your feet. Oh my God, there's 4 biting your shoe.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it's latched on. Look at it. Oh. The white ones for some reason. Stick. Do I have a bird on me? I can't tell. Is there one on me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It was behind me. Hi.
Bob's the bird whisperer.
Hey, Gav. Come on, buddy. Stick. 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 Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Where are you going,
They
dude?
love you. They're all about you. Look, we can be friends. We're all hanging out.
What if I can get a chicken on here? What if I can get a
You
chicken
gotta
on
find
here?
one that's hungry.
What if I can get a chicken on here? Okay, I'll call you later.
This one is like seriously trying to fucking go home.
No, no, try to climb on me. Why?
This one's a cockatoo. Come on. Come on.
Got my guy back.
Look, I'm feeding the chicken. Look at the chicken.
This one's like seriously trying to go home.
This one doesn't like to stick. Oh wow, hello. Oh, hi. Hello.
I got bird poo on me.
Where? Oh. Grungy.
This one wants to go home with me.
Yeah, but I wouldn't doubt that. You probably gotta check your coat when you leave.
It's where it likes to
He
be.
really likes your camera.
Yeah. Going in the jacket. Ah! Let's not keep them waiting anymore.
Okay. Where are they?
They went walking that way a while ago.
Okay.
Gavin and Logan. Come here, sweetie.
Wait, wedge it in the branch of a tree. Here, let's come feed the chicken.
your hand. There's no problem.
Ow, you fucker.
You really want to go home with me?
Want some more food? We have to get rid of it.
It's the same one.
It likes you. What's up, dude? That's awesome.
I got an angel bird. This is so cool.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do like 2 more minutes and we'll get going. This is a cool experience, it really is. Look at you, buddy. You love the camera. Look at. He likes cameras. Look at him. How many is there on me? How many's on me? 2?
Yeah.
One's in your jacket.
Gavin, help me. Help. Take it.
Oh. Get it out. I hope it shits on you. Get it out. It's out.
That one really likes you.
This is the one trying to go in your jacket. Go on, Jason. Come on, baby. Put it right in front of him.
Took my bird. This thing's gonna poop on me for sure. Ah! I don't like when it goes near my hair.
No.
Take this one. Oh, I got another one. Hi.
No, that's the one that's trying to be a stowaway. Where is he?
Somewhere in the bag. Oh, now it's going into our hat.
Alright, are we ready? Cab, come on!
Hey, buddy, come on. A nut.
Come on, before we leave the birds on.
That was fun.